Ever wish your CashPlus account could give you a safety net when you're short on cash? Well, that's what CashPlus's iDraft overdraft buffer is for. It's like a built-in backup. Well, first log into your CashPlus app or online banking. If you have been invited, you'll see the iDraft or overdraft option. Click it. Guided steps will help you apply for a fixed overdraft limit, typically up to £250, depending on eligibility. You'll be shown the annual fees and daily usage charge. Just review and confirm to activate once it's live. If your balance dips below zero, iDraft automatically covers it up to your limit. Keep an eye on your usage. There's a small daily fees when used, so plan to top it up quickly to minimize costs. You can also remove or reduce the overdraft anytime via customer service if you would prefer. That's all. I mean, minutes. It takes really minutes to set up an ongoing peace of mind. But like this guy, tap like, drop any questions, and yeah, if you do have any questions, like just shoot them at me. I'll just come back with a video, or if I feel like answer is suitable, I'll just drop that too. And yeah, thanks for watching. Really helps my channel grow with your engagement.